Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to play Red Ball 4. So stay tuned. So here we go. I'll show you the demo. Firstly, we are supposed to install the Red Ball 4 game. And by clicking on that, we are opening this game. You can see that. Now, on starting this game, you can see there are so many rounds. So by clicking on the first round, I'll show you how to play this game. This is the demo at the initial moment. Now you can see you have two arrows at the left for moving ahead, the circle for jumping. Now whenever you get a jump, click on the right circle and jump. Using the arrow, jump. Click on the circle and jump. Using the left and the right arrow, you can navigate. Now you can see that by clicking on the circle, I jumped. By using the arrows, I'm navigating the ball. By using the height, oh, I missed it. By using the height, I'm jumping onto the height. Yeah, the first round is completed. Here you are supposed to collect all the stars and kill all the enemies, because if you just take a few stars or kill a few of the enemies, later you are unable to unlock the other stages, which the problem I have faced. After clearing the first 2010 rounds, I was unable to go to the next phase of this. So again I started replaying. I have collected all the stars, I have killed all the enemies, then I could go to the next stage. You can see I have reached to the third level. You can see that I am collecting the stars, I am killing the enemies. Using the left and the right arrows, I am navigating the ball and jumping using the right side circle. If you are unable to push that stone, go behind, use some power, again come back and push it. By this you can push such heavy rock even. Yes, you can, by this demo you can get a clear idea how to play this Red Ball game. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt in any round, please do comment in the comment section, and also subscribe my channel Live Attitudiously. Thank you very much guys. Stay tuned.